Good morning. My name is Henry. I'd like to present my project today called Sigmaschool. It's an application for making reservations and bookings for restaurants. Yeah, the pitch is to help to connect diners and restaurant, providing the convenient digital booking experience with reviews and reviews from real customers. Problem today is a lot of places lack centralized platforms for restaurant discovery, booking, and reviews. So the target audience is So diners today usually look for reliable platforms, and mostly online these days, because everyone will be all glued. Our eyes are glued to our screens, right? And restaurant owners would want a digital presence or a wider audience for themselves to advertise their restaurants. So here, my tech stack here is the usual Byte Bootstrap router and using Vercel as deployment. On my backend, I'm using Express and then deployed on Railway. On my database, I stored it on the PostgreSQL inside Neon. Firebase for mainly storing my images. And then for maps, I'm using the open source database called OpenStreetMap. And for the API, I'm using something called Anomaly. Yeah, I'll explain that later. And then these things are, and also and using OpenAI's API for reviews, for review auto corrections. So the challenges here were comparing to Firebase. JWT or JSON Web Token is more transparent and educational approach with Reagan's approval. And then one big challenge, and one of many big challenges for me is looking for alternatives from Google Maps API, because it requires a paid service. Yeah, for me, I found Nomadi Team. Geocoding means it's the same logic as search queries. You type in the string, and it returns. In Nomadi Team helps search that specific string on the OpenStreetMap database. When found, it generates the accurate pin placement, latitude and longitude, and then they'll show it into the map. And next, this one, pass directly with the handler instead of using usage. That is where I face usually when uploading pictures. Yeah. And then lastly is Railway tends to have this frequent queue time when I'm trying to keep push. So the queue time could last almost like an hour or two. So it's quite tedious. So it usually stalls my progress. And architecture, this one I'll explain it during the demo. Okay, I'll start my demo now. This is my home page. In here, this is our list. This is our list of restaurants created by the admin's role, and this here's the map. All the paid locations are all the listed restaurants above, like say Skybar. Where is it? It's right here in KLCC. And Fujisawa. It's all the way in Puchong. Here we get to see the reviews. The menus first, sorry. Menus. Here for now it's placement. I'm using placements and PDFs for the menus. Then reviews. Okay, maybe no one hasn't visited yet. Too bad. And Marble 8, it's a steakhouse. Yes, we get to see reviews, ratings, and the photos they posted, and the actual locations. The actual locations here are actually real Google Map locations, because this type of link is free. Yeah, right here. Okay, now we make a reservation. But first, would you like to sign in or sign up?
Let's try this.
Sign up.
Yeah.
Whose first name comes first? Whose first name gonna go first? I think I have Reagan's. I think I have Reagan's account, but I forgot his password.
Let's try Haris. Haris.
Haris is admin.
Oh, Haris is admin. Okay.
Never mind. I'll go Elijah.
Yeah, right. Let's go, Elijah. Good night. I knew it. That's all. He said it's okay. Just use his name.
What's your birthday?
Whoa. Wow. 27.
I won't put your real phone number, so I'll just put a random number here. Hey, sorry. The email, I won't put a full email into it. Send you to the login page. This is your email. And this is your bookings. This is your profile. Your profile, you get to put your own face in. Here it is. And then now we make a booking. And now we book a place. We go to here. What's the occasion? What's the occasion, sir?
Okay. Yeah, let's do birthday. He says birthday.
Where do you want to go? We have steakhouse, Japanese, bar. This one is Malaysian steakhouse. What a taste. Table for. How many are you inviting us? Ten.
Big crowd.
This is your birthday. Time, I'll put a random timer. Yeah.
Date is booking date, right?
Yes, booking date.
Yeah, that's what it says.
I don't remember the phone number. I'm so sorry. But your email is fixed. Yeah, it's fixed to your profile. So you book now, and it appears right here. Yeah, you can edit it. Maybe table for 8, or maybe you want it earlier. 06. Yeah, it's updated right here. Right here. Then when you did visit the place, it's a check mark here. Means you get visited, and it appears right in your profile page, right, for ratings. So how many stars? How's the experience?
Yeah.
5.
Oh, I think that's what it means in review. Yeah, it's good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Food
It's
is
good. Yeah. So food is good. Then we get to improve your sentence with AI. Yeah, it adds a few words, but it helps you make sense. Submit it, and you can add your image here, and this will show up on the home page. It's right here. Where are you? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is probably the core mechanic for users lah. But in the future, more features will come in the future. Now we move on to the admin section, which is a little bit complicated. Sign out, sign in. I'll reach with 1R. Yeah. Just to prevent copywriting. Yeah. This is the admin page. This is what the admin could do. You could add restaurants, and then he could track users. But now there's only 2 rows for my project. Okay, I can add a new restaurant. The trouble here is I don't have I couldn't find a dedicated API. If I did, yeah, I could add a feature where it auto fills. But for now, we fill it by hand. Here it is. I'll add in this specific place. It's a Mexican place. It's a Mexican place. I haven't tried it. No, it's not his. This is the the field where you input your menu, either image or PDF. At this point, I put a image for now, and capacity 50. And for the location, it has to be what's already existing inside the OpenStreetMap. So for this, yeah, it's added, so it's within the list right there. And you can delete it and you can edit it. I'm not gonna delete it for now because AI 60. Yeah. Once added, it appears here into the list, and we'll pin right onto the map here. And that's about it on my core mechanics on my site. Yeah, I know it's not much because yeah, there were some speed bumps along the way that took too much time. That took too much of my time. Yeah. So this is my demo. This is my features. So what I've learned is the full stack to connect UI and backend is quite demanding. It demands a real frequent context switching and very acute problem solving skills, because I keep coming across every new thing I added keeps introducing complex and hard to trace bugs. But for me to make this site, because I have a fun background with food and beverage, so it helps me with enough confidence and engagement to work with. So conclusion, yeah, blah blah, and thanks Reagan and the bootcamp call for the support. That's about it.